Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Venmo history. First, of course, if you're looking for an inside app tutorial, I'm not going to provide that because I'm outside the US and I cannot log in into a Venmo account at the moment. And secondly, before even we start, you should know if you're trying to delete your Venmo transactions history, this is not possible. There are just some turnarounds that you can try, but directly deleting like your Venmo transaction, if you go to transaction, click on it and click on delete and it will disappear, this will not happen and this is impossible. So as an example, as you can see here, it's not possible to delete or clear past transactions. But what you can do is simply make them private if you want. Even like deleting your Venmo account with won't hide who you've paid or received money from, nor will blocking users with whom you've transacted. So, deleting past transactions or history is not possible. So, what you can do, as we said, is make them private. So, how can you make them private? All you need to do is simply go to the Me icon at the bottom right, then click on the gear settings. You'll find this at the top right. As we said, we can follow this here. So, this is an old interface, so you'll find like me inside or instead it was this icon. So here it's me, then you can click on the settings icon, you'll find this at the same place, then you can go to privacy, then of course make sure first of all to put your accounts private, then you can click on past transactions, then change all to private. As you can see, this change the privacy settings for all transaction to private. So that's how you can like hide them but not delete your history. So yeah, that's gonna be for this video. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.